If you've ever found yourself struggling with a cluttered, dusty hobby desk, we've got a little something to fix that today. We're upgrading our workstation to Hobby Workstation 2.0, a hybrid space where we can work, play, and get creative. Stick around, we've got some cool freebies for you at the end. We all know how easy it is for electronics to take over our hobby space, right? Whether it's your PC, entertainment system, or gaming consoles, it just seems like everything ends up on the table. We spend so much time at our workstations, but sometimes it just feels like there's no good way to keep everything organized. So we decided to give ours a little refresh. Trust me, it's been a game changer. One of the first things we needed to tackle was dust. You leave something on the desk, and before you know it, it's covered in dust because of all the sanding and stuff. So we thought, why keep things on top of the table? What if we could use the space under for storage when needed? After a bit of brainstorming, we came up with the idea to mount our Mac Mini and keyboard under the desk. The problem is that we couldn't find anything that really worked for us. Most under-table mounts are fixed in size, and that just wasn't going to cut it. So we decided to build something different. Say hello to our adjustable under-table brackets. They're super instrumental but straightforward. The idea behind them is to give you a flexible solution so you can store items under your table without taking up too much space. They work like a backpack buckle. There's a male and a female part that you can adjust to fit your needs. Just attach the T part under your table, slot in the L-shaped male part, and there you go. Let's get to the fun part, setting it all up. We started by securing the keyboard with two brackets, one on the left, one on the right, and you can also install an additional one at the back to prevent it from slipping off. Then we did the same for the Mac Mini. We use the keyboard frequently, so it has to be easy to reach. We just used a few wood screws to keep it in place. Now the desk is so much spacier and cleaner. No more dust on the keyboard or the Mac Mini, and it's all tucked away under the table when we're modeling. The workstation now offers a perfect balance of work, play, and model building in one place. It's a small change, but it makes such a big difference. If you're thinking of doing something similar, we've got you covered. You can download these free adjustable under-table brackets from the link in the description below. They're completely scalable, so you can tweak them to fit your needs. Just print them on an FDM printer, and they'll be sturdy enough for whatever you want to store under there. And hey, if you come up with your own cool designs or tweaks, feel free to share them with us on our Discord or Facebook group. We love seeing what you guys create. But what if you're using a laptop instead of a mini PC? We're working on something for that too. Keep an eye out for our next video where we'll show you how we're tackling that issue. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. So, what is the biggest problem you face in your own hobby workspace? Let us know in the comments below. And, as always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We're always happy to help. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and grab those free brackets while you can. Thanks so much for hanging out with us. Until next time, bye-bye.